Hey guys, Sylvia here and welcome to my Vertex review. So guys, as you can see, I am right inside the members area of Vertex and I will give you a walk through this product and tell you how it works, what it does and all of that more in detail in a second. I will show you the product properly, but guys, in a nutshell, I was a little bit surprised by this product because it's so super simple. Maybe, it's one of its biggest advantages. Sometimes you kind of get overwhelmed by how complex and complicated the software can be. But this software is super simple. And what it does in a nutshell, it creates different things for you that you can then blast off to various social media platforms. And there's a bunch of different platforms. This feature here, social media, social blast, will allow you to fire them up to different platforms, right? Again. So that's why this in a nutshell is going to create different, all sorts of posts, like stories, but also ads. Then you can then share with your followers. Now the thing about it is that you will need to be consistent and regular with doing with posting in order to build up the following. So yeah, it will definitely help you with building up that engagement as well. Okay, so you can get really creative with this stuff here. So well, that's something for you. Just stick with me, as not only will I show you all of the templates that you will find inside the software, but I also have some cool top bonuses for those who decide to pick up Vertex via the link below my video. So, shall we jump to my bonus page? Let's do that. And these bonuses, as you will see, they will really help you get the best out of Vertex. That's the way they have been designed, and they're custom made as well. So here we go, that's my bonus page. Again, the link to my bonus page is below my video. And guys, you will have a short description of what Vertex is and what it does on my bonus page. All of the prices, but we will go through that later on. Now, check out my first bonus that is called Gemini. So this is like a business in a box, truly, because it's got an autoresponder, it's got a squeeze page generator in it, and it allows you to create different videos as well. So you can really do a lot with it, that will help you take your business to another level. And then this one is really nice. I felt like it will really complement Vertex beautifully, as this is 4 ways to get instant design inspiration. So what you will be doing with Vertex, basically you will be creating different things, right? So I guess it's for those who have fun, who have this creative side to them and they enjoy the creation process. But it's always nice to get inspired and to get various ideas for whatever you would be creating. So with this bonus, the ideas will be there waiting for you to grab them. Alright? Then bonus number 3 is how to build your Facebook following. And it's a huge source of traffic, right? Free traffic, Facebook. And obviously Vertex is going to allow you to share the stuff that you will be creating on those various platforms, and one of them obviously will be Facebook, if not the biggest one. I mean, TikTok is also very popular these days. And yeah, but in order to for people to see you, to see your post, whatever you would be sharing via Vertex, obviously you need the following. So bonus number 3 will help you build that following fast and kind of also attract the right kind of following. So not some random people who would be just looking at your posts and not even engaging with them. So you want kind of a targeted traffic as well. So that was bonus number 3. Bonus number 5 is license rights to the lockdown formula. So lockdown formula is a product that was released, I would say about a year ago, you know, when the first lockdown happened and people were stuck at home. Yeah, so they came up with this product on how to make money from home. So this is a product that will help you build a business from the comfort of your own home. And not only that, but also you get license rights to it, so you can sell this product as your own and get 100% commission. So you're not giving anything to the vendors, you're keeping 100% commissions across the whole funnel. Not sure how many upsells are in there, but yeah, even if it's just the front end or something like that, if it's just like one option. So, well, sometimes they only give you like 50% even on the front end, but with this one you get 100% commission. And then we have the last one, which gives you access to all vendor bonuses, because the guy behind Vertex not only does give you the product, but also a top like a bunch of different bonuses on top of just the front end. Alright, so like the way to buy it is below my video. There is a link that will bring you to this bonus page, and you just smash one of these purple buttons. And after that, guys, you will be redirected to the sales page. And then again, the purple button. So at the moment it's $19. And then you will just receive an email with the receipt that will send you to a platform called Warrior Plus, this one. If you don't have it, just set it up. It's seconds, seriously. And then like my bonuses will be here where you see the blue circled one button, and the green one is will be Vertex and the vendor bonuses. So that's my bonus page, guys. Let's quickly jump to the sales page and see what they claim. So Vertex, the first foolproof traffic solution I've seen. See how these simple pre-made videos send us thousands of free clicks on autopilot every day. Never get in front of the camera. Yeah, sure. Of course, you will be like creating posts and videos, so you're not getting in front of the camera. No content creation, marketing experience, or tech needed. True, because you know, like all you will need to create and edit the templates will be there for you. And the rest will be just the usual stuff, you know, that's the guys behind the... No, that's not, that's some like testimonials as well. Yeah, usual stuff on the sales page. I'm not going to be taking up your time. You like by going just through the sales page, you know, you have access to it via my bonus page. You get to the sales page and you can check it out properly. Alright, so here we are inside the Vertex software. Simple, super simple. I was blown away by its simplicity. But it's cool. I like simplicity. So here are the templates. So as you can see, guys, so you have like Facebook, TikTok video. TikTok is super popular these days. Then you have Instagram posts, Twitter posts, Snapchat, YouTube video, Twitch stream, Facebook story, WhatsApp status, Instagram story, LinkedIn story, Facebook ads, so it also does ads, Twitter ad, YouTube ad, Instagram ad, large rectangle, not sure what that is, to be brutally honest with you. So you have these templates, right? Okay, let's check out Facebook posts, right? So you will have different tools. You can just play around with this post, and it is fully editable, so you can do whatever you want with it. Just customize it according to your style and liking. So here we are. So that's the template. As you can see, this one it's a moving one. It's cool because I guess it looks more attractive. But here's all the things you can do with it. So you can customize the layers, audio. You can do the filters. It's very popular. You have different elements. You can input the text, put in whatever the bit of text, images, videos, design. And then once you're done, you can also zoom it in and out, so it's easier to do the editing. Then you just save it or just download it and you have it, right? Yeah, you will have it here under my designs. And then here's the social blast. So then whatever you would have created, you can from inside Vertex blast off to check this out, all of these social media platforms. So seriously, there's many of them, and some of them I have never ever heard of, some of them. Alright, so you can fire them up on those platforms. But again guys, unless you have following on those platforms, you're not getting any traffic. So you have to create that traffic. You have to learn how to generate, and with my bonuses you will learn a lot about generating that free traffic, especially on Facebook. And Facebook is one of the most powerful source of free traffic. Anyhow, so that's what it allows you to do. It's very simple. And then you have the training here and the upgrades, and you have the support. Yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. So that's Vertex and the prices. I don't think I have much information on the prices, no. It just shows me here that that the vendor has not given me more information, but the front end is $19. It gives access to the powerful Vertex software, powerful yet simple, and training modules. And then we have OTO number 1 for $29, OTO number 2 $39, OTO number 3 is $197, OTO number 4 $39, OTO number 5 $197. $197. So that's what it is in a nutshell, guys. That was my Vertex review, and these are my bonuses, which will be yours if you get Vertex via the link below my video. Alright guys, ciao, thank you so much. I shall see you in my next one. Have a great day.